Hello everyone, welcome to QuickTable. It's your boy Wilson, and today we'll be talking about QuickTable formulas. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you do so. Click the like button, share. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, we'll just jump into the video. On QuickTable, the formula tab is found on the main menu. So I'll click on the formula tab. Here, what we can see is we have all kinds of formulas. You could also choose common formulas, the one you usually use, mathematical formulas, text, formulas related to text, and some logical formulas, date and time related formulas, statistics related formulas, and others. I will try to do a CEIL formula, like round up these values here. So we click on CEIL formula, this one. And when you click on any formula, you get a brief explanation of what the formula does here. So QuickTable is basically very easy. We click on insert function and it gets here. Don't ignore this warning. It's because the formula is not complete yet. Next to it, we have columns. So we have the formulas here. We have formula types here, formulas, and the columns on your data table or your data set. So here, our column is C Akbar. So what is it? C Akbar. This one. Click it here. See it gets here. Now we get to name a new column. So let's call it C Ak. Oh shit. Sorry. Akbar. Is that it? Then seal. Yeah. Doing the seal formula. All right. So that is done. We can click on preview to see what it gives us. But I'll just click on save directly. And after a few minutes, yeah. So our new column is formed. You see, this is rounded up to 712, and so on and so forth. This is how QuickTable formulas work. It's very easy. Everything has been made simple for you. We have a summary here. Can as well come back to it. Thank you so much. If you haven't understood anything, please leave a question in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.